Hey, I'm Carlos. Welcome to Superior Ford Certified Pre-Owned Building.
I've been here for, I think, going on 6 years or right at 6 years. If you don't want to pay the new car prices, pre-owned is the way to go. My favorite part is when customers are happy that they got into a vehicle that they didn't expect, or they got a vehicle that is going to benefit their family. What we do here is every vehicle that is on our pre-owned side, we have a reconditioning department to where we take them, before we put them here, we take them there, they get inspected. So whenever you do get in a vehicle, you feel comfortable what you're driving. I always recommend my customers that don't want to buy new. We have a big selection of pre-owned vehicle that'll fit their budget. We have third rows, 2 rows, we got towing trucks, we got diesel, gas, we have all sorts of vehicles for anybody, for any types of budget. We also have some Jeeps, Broncos. The summer's here, so you can take the tops off. We got big third row SUVs, all sorts of budget. And then we got mid-size trucks right here. And man, we just got all sorts of options. There's no pressure sales here. You're more than welcome to come test drive. If someone mentioned, hey, I want to check out this truck and see if it's a fit for me or my family or the job, come see us. We're always here to help any way we can.